see the Dushtanta Sharir topic, which is exam oriented. In Dushtanta Sharir, the Ayurvedic concepts are compared with the Dushtanta Sharirs. So these are either the items or these are the dravyas which are compared with the Ayurvedic terminologies. So first we'll see the Shuddha Shukra Lakshane. So in Ayurveda, Shushruta Sharir Adhyay 2nd, Shukra Shonit Shuddhi Sharir, the Shuddha Shukra and Shuddha Artav are described. So the Shuddha Shukra Lakshanas are Spatikabham Dravam Snigdham, Madhuram Madhugandhischa, Shukram Icchanti Kechittu, Tailak Shaudra Nibham Tata, which means Shuddha Shukra is like a spatik, which is Shubhra, Drava, Snigdha, Madhur, and it smells like a honey. So the Dushtantas related to the Shukra are either Spatika, then Madhu and Taila, or Kshaudra means Gruta. So these are the references of the Shuddha Shukra Lakshane. Then we'll see the Shuddha Artav Lakshana. Shuddha Artav Lakshanas are also described in the Shushruta Sharir chapter 2nd, which is Shukra Shonit Shuddhi Sharir. So Shuddha Artav Lakshanas are Shashasruka Pratimam Yattu Yadva Laksha Rasopamam Tad Artavam Prashansanti Yadvasona Viranjayet, which means Shuddha Artav is like rabbit blood, then Laksharas, and it doesn't stain on the clothes. So the Dushtantas related to the Shuddha Artav are either rabbit blood or Laksharas. Then Shuddha Artav is also described by the Charak in Chikitsastan Adhyay 30, which is described as Gunjafala Savarnamcha Padmalaktaka Sannibam Indragopaka Sankasham Artavam Shuddham Adishet. So here Charak gives Dushtanta of Gunjafala, then Padmalakta, which means lotus stem, then Indragopa insect. These are used for the comparison of Shuddha Artava. So these are described as the Dushtanta of Shuddha Artava Lakshana.